In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on your Toyota Tacoma. These will be located on the driver's side under the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to install the jack under our fuel tank. We don't want to really put any upward pressure on it, we just want to hold it. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove the bolts for the fuel tank straps. We're going to remove the clips for the pins for the fuel tank. These are going to bend out and then pop off. Do the same thing on the back one. Remove the clips. And now we'll remove the pins. After moving the tank strap around and hitting the pin a few times either way, we're able to remove the pin and the tank strap. Do the same thing in the front. Remove the pin and the strap. Install the fuel tank strap into the vehicle. I put a bit of copper anti-seize on our bolt. Get the bolt started. We'll go to the front and do the same thing. Snug down the fuel tank strap bolts and torque them to 46 foot-pounds. Install the tank strap into the bracket. Get the pin through it. I put a bit of copper anti-seize on our pins before installing. Install the clip. Push it straight on. Now we'll do the same on the back strap. Remove the jack out from under the fuel tank, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.